Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to do another recap. Today I did not trade very well at all. Um, I just this morning I could just tell I just was not in the flow with the market, and so I lowered my risk, and I I was not patient either. I was kind of jumping into trades a little quicker than what I typically like to do. So, anyhow, with Twitter this morning, actually, it was in the afternoon, it was very extended from these moving averages on the 5 minute chart. And so I was watching it for a reversal. And on the 1 minute, I noticed it started putting up these candles with really large wick, and it could not make a new high. And on the 5 minute, there was an indecision candle. So I went short earlier than I normally would. Honestly, I would have waited. Usually my style is going short right about here when these moving averages are heading down and this 50's coming up. And so I went short, and my first with the stop loss above these wicks right here. And my first target was this moving average on the 5 minute chart. And then I do have a rule that once I take my first partial, I set my stop at break even, and it did. It came right up and stopped me out. Looking at this trade, watching it continue to go down, made me very irritated that I stopped myself out. Number one, at break even though it was my rule, and I didn't get back in when I did see the setup happening. But like I said, I just wasn't in tune today. It happens, I guess. And the next trade's even worse. It was NIO. Once again, it was very extended on the 5 minute from these moving averages, and I was kind of sitting there watching it for a reversal. It did kind of do a double top here, and then I went short. Once again, if I would have really stuck to my rules, I probably would have went short here. Although this stock, when I went short in it, I realized it was very, very choppy, and I honestly did not feel comfortable with the price action that was happening. I went short once it made a new 5 minute low, and it couldn't make a new high. But I didn't wait on this confirmation right here with these moving averages that were crossing, and I did actually. When I went short, my stop loss was above the previous 5 minute candle, and now that I'm watching it, I really should have probably partialed here at this moving average on the 5 minute. But like I said, I really didn't like the price action, but I was hoping to make it to this 100 moving average on the 1 minute, but I stopped myself out at break even before it even had a chance to go down for multiple reasons. I did enter the trade, like I said before, the confirmation that I really like, and number two, the price action. So I went ahead and got out. That's it. My trades were not great today, but I did want to do a recap. And there are days that I just don't have great trading days, but the most important thing is to follow your rules, especially if you feel like you are not in flow with the market. It's not a bad thing to stop trading or lower your risk or go to sim. But anyhow, tomorrow is a new day, and I look forward to getting back at it tomorrow. I hope you all had a much better day than I did, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.